Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma and in this video I am going to explain about my Webtech experiment number 4. So first I am going to open my experiment. So this thing we need to make, this is my web page when I over color and background color as well as color of we need to change my profile, and when I over opacity need to change, and in this table when I over on my table background color as well as color of my table data is need to change, and image opacity also change. Here we need to give my border radius. Here I need to give my border radius. So I will open my experiment. So this is my experiment number 4. This is title I am giving. For list I am using my div id I am giving for my css and style for background color. And here home profile menu 3 menu 4 and contact us my list item. Here I am using my HTML5 css and style I am giving a style. I will explain. This is my inline style, and here I am using white color and font. I am giving left and white margin I am giving according to my eye needs. And here heading I am using Mr. Profile of Mr. Umang Sharma. Profile of Mr. Umang Sharma. Background I am giving below, and here I am using same my web developer and background color again. And for image I am using image border radius I am giving 50% because I need in circle, and height I am giving 20 to 100 pixel. Width I am giving position absolute, and top and left I am giving 40% 50 pixel, and border radius I am giving 5 pixels solid black for my border radius. So this is my border radius. And when I came here, opacity need to change when I over. So this is CSS. I will explain my CSS. CSS I am making different folder. So before index I will complete. And for I am giving my heading name Umang Sharma, Mummy, Papa for family members. And for my table, I am using first div tag. I inside I am written my favorites, and in center of this my div tag I am giving my favorite fruit, that is then I am using in my table row. I am give table that I am giving pizza, chocolate cake, coffee, burger, and I am using my item for class. I am giving for styling and image. Here giving I am giving, yeah, here image and border radius 5%. So in CSS, so for everything I'm giving margin 0 and padding 0. This is universal background image. First I give some value that image is not nice, so I remove. And here for my unordered list I'm giving height 100 pixel, background color type transparent. This is my white color for color. And uh, for list item I'm giving font bold, text decorate nothing, display inline block, text line center with height I'm giving. When I over, background color need to change. So when I over on my list, it need to change. So we need to use over. For div tag I'm giving opacity 0.7, and then when I over, opacity become 0. So when I over here, opacity become 0 for clear on that image. Then table I am giving margin 0, padding 0, border radius, background color green, and border radius 5% for my border radius. And table row data I am giving for both external and center, black color font margin. So you can see here I am giving 5%, and it's for center, background color, and font size I give here. And for my table and row odd I am giving sky blue, and for other thing I am giving pink. So sky blue for odd, and for even I'm giving pink. And when I over, background color need to change to green. So background color, when I over background color change and color become red and image opacity is also change. So background color and when I over it's need to change. And opacity is 2 generally margin 2. And when I over to item name margin is 0 color 0 and when I am adding here otherwise opacity is 1. So this is my experiment. I hope you understand. Thank you.